Guys, this is a Union Pacific train pulling reefer cars. Each car has its own unique name on it. Leave a comment down below on which one's your favorite. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more train videos.
Whoa, what a cool train.